house blessing preparation. So we're going to prepare candles. Then I've got one here. Yeah. So it looks like this. Para hindi touch yung hand na mag-hold sa candle. Di ba may maano dito tumulo. For the candles, we're going to use for the blessing. New home. Blessing preparation. House blessing preparation. And also with you.
Today we thank God, especially for this day, as we ask His blessing to be upon you, upon your new home, and this salt. May this water, ang banal na tubig nawang ito ay magpaalala sa pag-iisa sa kamatay at pagkabuhay ni Kristo sa sakramento ng binyag. Lord, wherever this salt and water is sprinkled, especially for the blessing of this house, of this home, of the family, and the family itself, please drive away from their hearts this whole, the evil. Okay. Sa taas mo na ako, ha? Yeah.
Yuri tayo na siya.
Có thôi để ba sẽ hết.
Back door.
Dapat yung kain.
Nanay, wala naman anak si nanay mo. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses,